What's up guys, this is Kelly from TriPro 3D Technology, and today we are super excited to introduce our ProMaker FDM 3D printer for industrial level uses. And we highly recommend this machine for designing, for manufacturing, prototyping, even for those functional and parts manufacturing. So as you can see, this machine is really big because my height is 6'1", so we can make a comparison between me and this machine. And this one, the building volume is 460 millimeters by 420 by 720 millimeters. So it's really versatile. By using ProMaker700, you can print a wide range of materials like ABS, TPU, soft PLA. And if you see it close, you can see the great details, especially as those lines and the qualities. The resolution is really good. XYZ, we all use the servo motor, and also the linear guide and the ball screw all come together to make sure our machine can print at a speed around 140 millimeters per second. As you may know, on this 3D printing market, the average speed for the industrial level could be around 80 millimeters. That's a great leap for our machine, for the ProMaker700, 140 millimeters per second. And when it comes to the precision, I didn't mention, for X and Y axis, and the precision can be around 50 microns, and Z axis, that will be the layer thickness, it'll be around 100 microns. So basically, this is a perfect machine if you are in a designing industry or modeling or manufacturing for those functional end parts. You can just snap here to open the lid really easily. And you can see from the inside of the chamber, this is the plate, which is made of glass and aluminum, and we got a heating bed underneath it, so it can easily control the whole chamber at a constant 60 Celsius degree. That's a perfect environment for printing ABS material. So you don't have to see those warping edges. That will be gonna be really awesome. So you can see the whole size is really big. Is 400 by 60, and also the height can be around 720 millimeters. So this is really perfect and versatile for you to printing any parts and models. Okay, that's pretty much everything about ProMaker700 3D printer. If you are interested or have more questions, you are more than welcome to contact us directly. Thanks. Bye-bye.